Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so in this video today, here I am at the Goodwill, thrifting. So come on with me, guys. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, all the Goodwills in the area where I live are pretty much all stocked. So I'm going to let you enjoy this shopping trip and I'll see you at the end. So I am absolutely loving that bow cup, but I only found one. Oh my goodness. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.